India has a rich, diverse, and intellectual past. Zero is one of the greatest contributions from the times of Aryabhatta in the 5th century. India also invented the decimal number system, which is used to this day among other mathematical concepts. It is in this context that a spiritual guru who was also a mathematician wrote a book in the early 20th century in India. So problems like 98 times 97 and others can be solved in less than 5 seconds flat. It is in this context that Gaurav Tekriwal, an equity research analyst from Kolkata, started giving workshops from the time he was in college in the year 2000. He believed in the idea of Vedic maths, that such a concept can be taken globally as everybody just loves to hate maths. Right from school students to teachers and even parents, it was a unique idea as it has a very large market.
It has certain formulas, and if one acquaints himself with those formulas, all the mathematical questions can be solved within a very short time.
Gaurav Tekriwal founded the Vedic Math Forum India in Kolkata in 2008 and never looked back ever since. The rise of internet only led to making Vedic maths popular and most needed to make maths fun and interesting rather than dull and boring. A talk was given on TED on YouTube titled The Magic of Vedic Math by Gaurav Tekriwal in New York, an active advocate of the subject, which generated over 3.5 million views as we speak today. This is perhaps the talk that introduced Vedic maths to students worldwide in the 21st century. Gaurav partnered with Penguin Random House India to author books on the subject. There are thousands of students studying the course on Vedic maths online via websites like Udemy and Skillshare. On-demand satellite operators like Tata Sky beam Vedic math programs pan-India through their channels in partnership with the Vedic Math Forum India. Vedic Math Forum India, under the government's flagship project, the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, had the opportunity to teach over 7,000 students in Silvassa, near Gujarat. Indian government too is waking up to the subject.
आपको मालूम है एक ऑनलाइन वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स के क्लासेस चलते हैं?
यस सर।
हाँ, कभी ट्राई किया है इसका?
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं किया।
आप देखिए, बहुत सारे आपके दोस्तों को लगेगा जैसे आप जादूगर है, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर की स्पीड से आप गिनती कर सकते हैं। वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स की बहुत सरल टेक्निक्स हैं और आजकल वो ऑनलाइन पर भी अवेलेबल होते हैं।
जी सर।
क्योंकि आपकी मैथमेटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है तो बहुत सी नई नई चीजें भी आप दे सकते हैं।
जी सर।
Moreover, there is live online training that goes on round the clock to train students in the field globally. In this context, the company started giving international franchise in many countries, including India, the United States, Australia, South Africa. A knowledge that was confined to India is now commanding the attention globally, just like yoga and Ayurveda. To cater to the huge demand worldwide, in the current times of Corona, the Vedic Math Forum India has also introduced their online course modules for English, physics, and chemistry so that students can learn subjects live under one roof. It is no doubt that we can safely say that Vedic mathematics is India's newest gift to the world.